The Gibco CTS Xenon Electroporation system features an intuitive touchscreen interface that makes it easy to create new protocols. First, tap Create Protocol and select a type of protocol you'd like to create, either single shot or multi-shot. Next, tap Create New to make a new protocol, or tap Open Existing to modify a protocol you've already created or one of the cell-specific protocols pre-programmed into the instrument. Now you can enter a name for your protocol and input your desired electroporation parameters. A pulse voltage from 500 to 2500 volts, pulse width from 1 to 30 milliseconds, number of pulses up to 10, pulse interval from 500 milliseconds to 1 second, and finally, cell type and buffer type. Please note, not all parameter combinations are supported due to hardware limitations. Once you've defined all the parameters, you can save the protocol. You'll then be able to run the protocol, create another protocol, or return to the home screen. Visit thermofisher.com/xenon to learn how the Gibco CTS Xenon Electroporation system can help streamline your cell therapy development.